Today we're going to be reviewing and testing the Shaker Mini Electric Chainsaw. So stay tuned. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well, this company Shaker sent me this mini electric chainsaw to test and review. So first of all, I'll go over with you what's in the actual box. So of course we have the mini chainsaw. And it is quite small, but it's kind of a hefty chainsaw. The next thing we have in the box is the battery pack. We also have a power cord which charges the battery. You have a screw to tighten up. Both of these tighten up the tension blades on it. And you have some lubricant. And most important, what you have is the directions to it. So first I'll put the specs up on it, and then I will show you a couple of clips of me using it. And one clip I had actually got deleted by accident, so I only have a short clip, but I'll tell you the pros and cons of it after you see that. So here's a little information on the product. It is manufactured from Shaker. They give you a part number. The item weight is 2.42 pounds. This is the package dimensions. It takes one lithium battery, which is included, and the power source is battery, of course, and the horsepower is 550 watts. So first of all, this is rechargeable. It is lightweight, it's easy to carry, and it has a strong dynamic system. Now, when I first took it out of the box, my chain was quite tight. So only thing I had to do was loosen the tension, which is this little nut right here on the chain. For using it, I guess I'm so used to using a larger chainsaw. To me, I didn't have as much control on it. But after using it a couple of times, I figured out how to hold the wood right, and without using two hands, of course. It is very lightweight. It also has this safety bar right here, just in case the chain decided to snap off, which that didn't happen. You push this button right here, hold this button in, and then you can trigger it this way, as you can see. Not bad. So this is what is included in the box. You get one mini chainsaw, one guide bar, which is installed and your saw chain installed, one battery, one charger. You get a wrench and a screwdriver with the lube, the user manual, and of course the box. So the pros and cons of the item. The pros are, it's very convenient to have if you're out camping somewhere and you need to chop up a lot of pieces of small wood, especially for your wood stove. I think it'll come in handy, definitely for that. The pros is also that you have a rechargeable battery, which is very convenient. So if like me who carries a Jackery, you can just plug it in and charge it up while you're out in the field. So it's a handy tool. The one thing that I didn't like about it, and I guess I'm just kind of comparing it to a regular chainsaw, is that when I first started to chop, it kind of got away from me. So I felt like I didn't have a lot of control with it. Probably just something that you would have to get used to doing it differently than holding a regular chainsaw. So I did get a lot of pieces of wood chopped up with it once I finally got a hold of it. I also had to keep adjusting the teeth on this. I think I finally got adjusted right. When it came, the tension was way too tight, and so I didn't bother because it was already put together checking it first. So I had a little slip up. Thank goodness I had cowhide gloves on. So basically, overall, I think it's a good item. It's a good product. It's very convenient to have. Just throw it in your car, keep it in there. Don't expect to chop down huge pieces of wood. You know, you probably want to take your axe, split the wood, and then just use this to chop it into smaller, manageable pieces for your stove, your hot tent stove. That would be the only thing that I would use it for. So I'll put a link in the description of where you can pick up this item. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative enough. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.